Hi guys and welcome to Fiona's Hobbies. Today we are going to be making orange cake. It's an easy recipe. It doesn't need milk, butter or orange essence. And if you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Now let's start making this delicious cake. We will save the orange for the orange juice. Next, we are going to crack 2 eggs. Now we'll whisk the eggs. I have finished whisking the eggs. Now we'll add half cup of powdered sugar. Now we'll whisk it well. After your egg and sugar mixture has become like this, we'll add 1/4 cup of oil. I have used rice bran oil. You can use any oil with less taste and smell. Now we'll sift our dry ingredients. We have to add 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we'll sift it. Now we'll mix it. Do not over mix your batter. Next we'll add orange juice from 1 orange. I got half cup of orange juice from 1 orange. Be careful not to over mix the batter, because if you over mix the batter, your cake won't become fluffy and it will become very dense. Now our batter is ready. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of orange zest. Now we'll mix it until it's combined. For the orange color, I am adding 2 drops of yellow gel food color and I am also adding 1 drop of super red gel food color. Our batter is ready. Now we'll add some oil in the cake mold and grease it using a brush. Now we'll put a piece of parchment paper on it. Now we'll brush a little bit more oil on the parchment paper. Now we'll pour the batter. Now we'll tap it to remove any air bubbles. Now we'll bake it in a preheated oven in 180 degrees from 30 to 35 minutes. Now let's make the frosting. For that, we'll add 1 cup of whipping cream. Now we'll beat it. After the whipping cream has reached soft peaks, we'll add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Then we'll beat it nicely until it forms stiff peaks. This is how your cream will look after it reaches stiff peaks. Now I'm adding 1 drop of red gel food color. Now we'll add 1 drop of yellow food color. And now let's beat it. The cream looks very light, so I'm adding 1 more drop of yellow food color and 1 more drop of red food color. Now we'll beat it. Our cream is ready now. Next, we have to mix it nicely so that when we pipe the cream, it's smooth. So now our cake is ready. It looks very nice and fluffy. Now we'll loosen the edges by using a knife. Now we'll remove the cake from the cake mold. Now let's remove the butter paper or parchment paper. Our cake looks very nice and very fluffy. Now we'll cut the cake into 2 parts. I have prepared some sugar syrup by using 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar and a little bit of orange juice. Now let's pour it on top of the cake. Now we'll add some cream. Now we'll spread it. Now we'll keep the next layer. I have kept the next layer upside down. Now we'll pour the sugar syrup again. I have transferred the cream in a piping bag with a star nozzle, and then we'll start piping some flowers like this. In the same way, cover all the parts of the cake with flowers. If there are some gaps, you can just pipe like this. Our beautiful cake is ready now. Please try this recipe at your home, and thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.